So the other day, like today, it was cold outside and I wanted to test out, because I hadn't yet tested out in here, using this and heat it up a little bit. This is the Dyna-Glo XL, and it's the one that you can have a 1 pound tank on each side, but also you can hook up the propane tank and have the 20 pound. So I was going to use it in here and the Pilot just would not ignite. So I'm going to show you what I did to fix that. Super simple. Now this can vary between models, but you can see right here where the hose connects up to the heater. Well, what I did, there's a little pin right there and you can see it depress just a slight bit right there. So what I did was just take the air compressor nozzle and depressed it a little bit and then sprayed up air into there like that for a little bit. And I did that to both sides because this has two ends to connect to. And the next thing I did was right here where the Pilot is. Now I don't have the nozzle connected to the air compressor, but I just stuck this in the best way possible and tried to get it as close as I could to the Pilot and just spray some air into there for a little bit. Now last night I ran a test into this side and it worked after I had sprayed the air through it. But I have yet to try this side to make sure that line is also cleared. So we're gonna test that out together real quick. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and turn the tank on. And with this model, there is a lightning strike symbol to symbolize the little spark for the Pilot light. You're supposed to turn it over to that symbol and you just heard the click there, and leave it on there for a few minutes. And after a few minutes, it should have enough propane coming to the Pilot to be able to light it. It's only been going for maybe a minute now. Okay, there it's already. And I gotta keep the handle depressed over there. And the Pilot's lit. Let me let off. Okay, now the Pilot is lit and staying lit by itself. And then I can go ahead and turn it on. And I'm going to go ahead and shut the light off so you can see how this is working. So this is on the lowest setting. You're starting to see it flame up right there. So that's just a simple little tip that could possibly be overlooked if you're having a problem with one of these. So I hope it helps you out, and thanks for watching.